choosing the right ADP platform for your business. The core difference is scale and complexity. Let's break it down. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. ADP Run is designed for small businesses. It's streamlined, user-friendly, and handles core payroll, tax filing, and basic reporting. It's a great all-in-one solution for growing companies. ADP Workforce Now is an HRIS platform for mid-sized to large businesses. It includes payroll but adds comprehensive HR tools, talent management, benefits administration, time tracking, and advanced analytics. My crucial pro tip: think about your future needs. If you plan to grow rapidly, add complex benefits, or need robust HR compliance tools, starting with Workforce Now might save you a disruptive platform migration later. Choose for where you're going, not just where you are. Select the platform that matches your business size and complexity. Which ADP solution are you using or considering? What was the deciding factor? For clear-cut business software comparisons, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.